All right, we just purchased a Volvo XC90, and we need to remove the battery. So we're going to do a battery replacement. Now, we've already taken out and lifted up the back panel, which lifts up really easy. And you have three screws to come out. We've already taken those out using a 10 millimeter. 1 and 2, and the third screw was here. Okay. Now, once you take those screws out, you lift this metal piece out, put it to the side. Okay. Then you take off the plastic lid, which comes right off. It's not even bolted down anywhere. Okay. And we will remove the battery using should be a 10 millimeter. Let me check. It is a 10 millimeter. All right. So we're going to use our extension. We're going to find our socket set. So we're going to go again, set, go. All right. We're going to take this off on your plus side. Okay. Easy, easy, easy. Easy peasy. Okay. I guess. Okay, we got a little, that's off. Okay. We do the same thing on this side. Okay. All right, loosen, take off. Okay. We grab, oh, wait a minute. Let's look down the corner here, Erica. And you see that nut down there holding the battery down? See the black nut?
Yes.
Okay. So we're going to remove that with the same wrench. Okay. Very simple. You know, this battery might take a charge, Erica. This battery looks like it might take a charge. All right, then we pull the battery out.
How heavy is it?
Just like that.
Is it heavy?
It's heavy enough, but that's not the problem. We got it out.
Good, awesome.
All right, next.
Part 1 complete.
Part 1 complete. Okay, and we're back. Okay, we have our battery. Okay, this is gonna be real simple. Okay, we want to use battery because we're selling a car. So we're gonna take the battery. I'm dropping it in, and the first thing I'm going to do is the first screw I put back is the one that holds the battery down. Okay. On this side, and we'll place this screw here. And we will screw that screw down. Okay. Give us 1 minute to line it up. And you don't have to start it yourself. Your hands. Just start it yourself. Then take your ratchet, set it properly, and hold on you. That's done. Then we take our positive, we find our negative right here. And sometimes you have to tap it down a little bit. Okay, that's pretty snug. And then you want to tighten this one up as well. Okay, same thing on this side. Snug. Okay, now you want to put this back. In these places we have our 1, 2, I'm missing a screw here, okay? Should be another screw like this here.
Oh, there it is. It's complete.
We're done.